Hello guys, we're gonna be reacting to the 21 Pilots movie trailer. So search us sa YouTube, 21 Pilots. At they said na release na to nilang trailer. Dara! More than we ever imagined. 1 hour and 41 minutes. Let's go.
Slurp it, eat it, drink it.
Twist it,
Sip
bop
it,
it,
drink it.
sip it, drink it.
Where's he want to go?
He wants to go on top of the building. Yeah, your left. Keep going right there. Right there.
That's so dope.
That part never gets old. Pulling up to a venue and seeing people going to the show. Playing in front of 10 people is more nerve-wracking than 60,000.
Yeah, I agree.
Being surrounded by that many people while playing the piano, it's the closest I get to remembering why I fell in love with music.
Tyler and I are always talking about ways to enhance the show. We've always liked to kind of put ourselves in situations that we don't know if it's going to work out or not live. That's one thing that we really pride ourselves on.
I think we like to tell ourselves that we saw this happening. But if I'm being honest, I think that my goal was probably like 1,000 people. They were giving me a license to perform the way that I want and become who I want to be on this stage.
Heaven is just the beginning of everything Wala, 26 man di ay. 26 man di ay. Magkuhan pa siguro kung tickets ani. Pero pwede rin ko walk in ani for sure kay wala mo fans ang kuan po 21 Pilots des Philippines. So mag-search at type na ba available tickets ani. Click the city, Cebu City. Nara ba ko ilakaw sa 26? I wonder where you are. Chuya eh? Like, it's a, feel ako documentation siya from start to finish. Starting of the band, always always dyan mag-emphasize ng si Tyler o Josh Dunn sa accomplishments that they made. Hence the title of the movie, More Than We Ever Imagined, because they never saw themselves, Tanaan to sa Click the City. Hala, naago di ay bay. Hala, nasan ko lakaw ani? Same time lagi. 26. Wala lain theater like SM City man din di ay ato taglain be. SM City, SM Seaside or Galleria kami nga dyan yung Galleria for show. Wala pa schedule ng Galleria for 26. So back sa ta. Arita sa SM Seaside, yung SM City na naman. May tanay laing tayo, may wala po. Hala. Mara pa ko lakaw. Ako na lang ingnan siguro si kung ano. Ato lang i-move gamay. Pwede i-move natin gamay like mga 7 or 8. No star. Shit. Wala pa dyan sa Ayala Malls. Ayala. 26. Wala pa schedule sa 26. My God. Ayala Malls. Ay, bakulod mo na yung buong. Ayala Center. Hala, mori only schedule. Ako lang gurang ingnan si sab nga pwede ato lang i-8 ang lakaw kay I have to watch the documentary dyan like SM City Cebu ra dyan makita. Oh, nana siya schedule this SM City Cebu 26. That's next week. Thursday. Ano, hindi pa din next week. Next week. Nagsabot na magod may daan. Lain si kayo mo kuan ko. But anyways, mapangitaan na nagpaagi. Basig ma-move na mag 25 ang mga lakaw. Or kana. So, initial thoughts sa trailer. As a die-hard fan of this band, for me, murag sila jud ang nag-shape to who I am today. How I think and process things comes from them. Well, some comes from them. And actually, the things I make, like music and vlogs and whatever, murag dako ko guys like influence akong life. So, maunang, if they say more than we ever imagined, then I am so happy that they achieved. I'm so happy nga sa tanang tao nga musikat sila jud because they deserve everything, all the success and everything. The band is very underrated because kanang they talk a lot of mental health stuff, being in love, mental health, kana depression, mental health lagi. And it's not just about talking about it's dili lang siya about nagstorya lang about sa depression, but if you listen closely to the lyrics, they're actually promoting to seek help, you know. It's not wrong to open up, it's not wrong to speak to people. And for me, that's where they shine the most. The message, you know. Of course, di dyan mawala po ang ilang lore, but the lore of like Dima and the trench and everything comes from the creative mind of Tyler Joseph, but na represent sa kanibitang how the mind works, actually how his mind works, but he believes he's not alone with this. Everyone is also experiencing this. So I'm so excited to watch this movie because I have been their supporter since Vessel jud. Dili jud ko super deep fan, but sa ilahang mga previous albums wala na ko ka paminaw sa katong sa to yung natin na album katong blah 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 at best. Sa katong Addict with a Pen album, I forgot 21 Pilots or masigari nga na to. Kaya search ba? Margi ko kila kung natamos trailer to ay. Regional at Best o ang 21 Pilots. Ang Regional at Best wala gini sa Apple Music. Wala sa Regional at Best. Pero naatong naaning 21 Pilots ra which 2009. Akong ganahan ani is ang Addict with a Pen, Johnny Boy, Nice Puting Taxicab. So yeah. So excited.